Hey, what's happening, everyone? This is a quick video to show you how to delete apps off your iPhone in 2021. To do this, just press upon an empty space for about a second or two until the icon starts shaking. Then find the app you want to delete and press the minus in the top left corner. Here's the Stocks app, for example, and now I'm presented with two options. When I press the red one, delete app, it will completely take it off of my phone. All the information will be lost, but the storage will be freed up on my hard drive. The other option is to remove it from the home screen, but that won't get the app off of my phone. You may just do that to maybe hide an app because someone's sharing their phone. Who knows? People have their reasons. Once I press the delete app button, or am I sure I want to delete? Well, of course. And there it goes. If I wanted to bring it back at a later time, I just re-download from the App Store or from cloud. It'll be back on my phone and no problem. So once again, press upon an empty space, get the app to start shaking. If you don't want something like Apple TV, I press delete app, I confirm deletion, and now it's gone. If you have any more Apple questions, iWatch, whatever, I got you. Leave them in the comment section. Until then, take it easy.